It's actually dead. I got it right out here.
Get that one at 9. There should be one, well, one on 10. One of the gas ones. That works. Now this one is dead. So just gonna be the one on that one over there, the gas one. One of them. Alright, let's try this one. You have to give it, you have to just pump it sometime. Pump. Is this a good one? Maybe this is not a good one.
Gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. In the name of love. In the name of love. In the name of love.
Alright, so the time now is 5:16 a.m. No, today I'll be just doing some head start. Well, this one is just a head start, meaning the flight start here overnight, and the first flight of the day is going to be from my station. So the first thing I want to do, I want to make sure the GPU is on. It's on already. The pilot is on. They're using it. We came early and checked, and then since this is the first flight, you want to make sure you check every compartment just to make sure it's clear. So just do a quick walk around. This flight leaves at 6:05 a.m. so it leaves in the next maybe 40 to 50 minutes. So while doing the walk around, you're still just checking for anything out of the usual, any damage to the aircraft. And like I said, while doing it, I'm also checking every compartment just to make sure it's clear. Yeah. I also like to check that the water was done. So it should be full or close to full. This one should be okay, but generally you want it to be at least 3/4. Since this is just a domestic flight, should be okay. Alright, so one of my guys, she don't want to be on camera. Are you okay being on my camera? You're afraid?
I don't like it.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, she don't like it, so I'll try my best not to video her. Or if I do, I might have to blur the image. But yeah. So what I noticed that is wrong so far, like this chuck should be over that side. So we chuck the main, well, we chuck the front, and then we chuck the right side of the main, not the left.
You just need the envelope?
Yeah, can you print from there?
I can't print, but I might be able to look at it.
Yeah. I'll just take a picture. I can do the paper later.
I'll try and get that working.
That's
there
me?
You go.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Come on. Alright, so let's just transfer the information out. So this is just the rough work since the computer is not working. So now I'm gonna just draw my plane. This is 1-1, 1-2, 2-1. So all of this right here, this side is a front compartment. I'll call it forward compartment. All of this side is the aft or the back compartment. So if you look at the plane, where the wing is, this is where the wing is. And then all of this side is the front, this side is the back. And then this side is going to be 3-1, which should be the biggest. That's where we're going to put most of the bag. 4-1, and then 4-2. So based on this, they want us to load the bags. So it should be tail 220. Just double check. Tail 220, that means you're loading the right flight. And so nothing here. This is going to be doors BU. Nothing here in the back. We're expecting 35 BT, that's transfer. We're expecting 7 local, which is just B. Local party, they're not sure how many local party, it's just based on what we have. So local party is just going to be BP, no numbers. And then we're expecting 5 US bags. US bags are BB, we're expecting 5. 4-1. Whoops, I was wrong. So US bags are going to be in 4-1. So 5 BB. 4-2 is going to be clear. Alright, so this is what estimated. So now I'm just going to get the unload. And then we load. Alright, so they just started loading.
Nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before, but I didn't know more. Now I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine, but I can be your superhero.
So you check your bag. This is my flight 182. Then you want to check the second cart behind it. And then as usual, I always check all the carts on my side just to make sure I'm not missing any. So this is 184. Still going to Calgary, but not my flight. So it works. Normally you separate your bags, right? So this should be transfer bags. These are bags going, not staying at Calgary, but it's going somewhere else. And then this one is my US. But I think we might have local bags on this too, because the local bags, I'm just expecting like maybe 5 or 6. I'll just check this one. Oh. So I'll just take this and put it over here. I'm just checking oversize. Alright, so this is me, 182, and then I'll double check over here, 184, 4, Air Canada. Alright, so I think that's it.
Can I be your superhero? You take the light with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I was always so. sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine.
Alright, so perfect count, call their numbers. They finished boarding, so now we're just gonna pull GPU. I mean, the pilot is not using it, but you always want to ask before you disconnect. So let's see if I can get his attention. I'm not seeing him. If you can't see the pilot, then you just ask the co-pilot. If you can't see the captain. Alright, he said it's good to disconnect. I'm just gonna pull it, you can take it out. Hey, no, don't walk over. Just pull it out. Just pull out. Alright. I'll just do my walk around. Time is 5:52, which is good. This flight leaves at 6:05. So we have perfect timing. As usual, double check just to make sure all the nits are done. Make sure door is flush. Alright, looks good. Double check door. Everything is done. Lights done, lights off. Close door. So you always want to call in your numbers at least 10 minutes before departure time. So in this case, the departure time is 6:05. My job is to make sure I call in the numbers before 5:55 a.m. of course. Good. And we check to make sure the door is flush. Helper. Yeah, sometimes these trucks can be a bit hard to take off. I'll help you. I'll help you. So just take, yeah. Sorry. Just take this and pull. Ready? That's it. Yeah, someday you need some force. So we'll leave it upstairs until. Thank you, brother. Hey, couple of there. We have the board connected, bypass been installed. We are ready when you are. Copy.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. sinking. You're looking awful soon. Hope we're going
When you're pushing back, you all want to make sure you have neutral on your wing walkers.
Let's take
At
it
no
slow.
point you should break contact with them.
Where you go, I go too. And if
Not a typical person so that my wing walkers
down,
can walk with you.
let's
By
take
too
it
fast,
slow.
then they will have to run.
Who cares where we gotta be? I know you'll have a good time wherever you go. Let's take it slow.
That's the first flight. So we'll prepare for the next flight. Comes in like 40 minutes.
Knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the